to another solution based video on my channel. In this video today I will show you about iPhone speakers. So on my hand this is iPhone 14 Pro Max, and this phone is having the stereo sound system, and this phone is having two speakers. One is at the bottom and one is at the top. At the bottom we can see here both sides is having tiny holes. Right side holes basically for playing music, which is the speaker, and left side holes basically for microphone. So microphone we use when you do phone call or when you record any video. So don't worry about it, I'm showing you how it works. So at the top you can see here there is also speaker holes. This is built in speaker and microphone both, and here you can also see here speaker holes. Here if I block this section, see the left side there is nothing, no sound is coming from the left side. And if I hold this sound, if I hold this section, then see the right side there is nothing coming, and at the top also there is sound is coming, you can see from the top. So if I block this section, you can see sound is coming from this side. I'm blocking these two sides, and if I block this side, see from nowhere sound is coming. So here at the top the sound is coming, and this side at the bottom, this side sound is coming. So there is nothing to worry. Now I will show you how to adjust your sound system from settings like stereo sound system. Now you have to tap on accessibility here, and if you scroll down then you will get audio and visual section. Tap on that, and now at the bottom you can see the horizontal bar. So from this bar, if you take the left side, if you move this bar like left side, then sound will come from top, and if you move this bar the right side, okay, the right side, then sound will come from the bottom section. So thank you for watching and hope you liked it, and I will come with another solution based video. Till then, stay healthy and stay happy, and if you get any trouble then please let me know in my comment section below. I will obviously try to help you as much I can. Till then, stay healthy, stay happy.